Convert 27 to base 2. Notice 27 they didn't mention a base. When they don't mention a base for a number, assume base 10, which are the numbers we use from day to day. Our system is a base 10. But they would like us to change 27, which is base 10, into a base 2 number. So what you do is you start putting the values, the place values for the digits. You always start on this side. And since it's base 2, you start off with 2 to the 0. And then 2 to the first, 2 to the second, 2 to the third, and you go on and on. Do a couple of these, you'll see where we stop in a while. And if this was base 3, then these would have been 3s, but the powers would have been the same. But this is a base 2 number that we would like to convert to, so these are 2s. Now, how far do you go? Well, notice what I did. I changed these exponential form numbers into digits. So 2 to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1. So this place is worth 1. 2 to the first, this place is worth 2. 2 to the second, that's 2 times 2. This place is worth 4. So it's easy to look at these numbers and to look at them in the exponential form. So these positions have these values. So where do you stop? Well, you look at the number you're going to convert, 27. Well, this is 32, so I don't have to go all the way to 32. You don't have to go all the way to 32, since 27 comes before that. So we know that we're just going to keep up to 16. So now we're going to fill in these spaces with either zeros or 1. Base 2 has only 2 symbols, 0 and 1, 2 numerals, 0 and 1. So these spaces are going to be filled in with zeros or 1s. And the way you could approach this is by thinking, start off with the biggest one that you have, 16. How many 16s can you find in 27? Then once you count how many, you're going to have a remainder. Then that's the same for the 8, the 4, the 2, and the 1, as we're going to do now. So now, how many 16s are in 27? So you do your division. There's 1 16. So notice that's the one that you see here. Then you finish your division, you have your remainder. Now go to your remainder, which is 11. Go to the next value, the next position, which was an 8, and ask yourself, how many 8s fit in 11? Only 1. That's why this position is a 1. Finish off your division. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract. So now we have 3 left over. So this 3 comes up here. And now ask the question again. But this time, how many 4s go into 3? 0. That's why this position is a 0. Remainder is 3. Now 3 divided by the next value, the next position, the next place value is 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1. That's why we have this 1 here. Finish your division, you have a remainder of 1. Now start the division here. 1 divided by 1, which is the first place value. Well, that's 1. That's why this is a 1. Remainder 0. So this number is the number in base 2. So 27 can be written as 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, base 2. So in the base 2 world, this is the way a 27 looks like.